Attempt gift swapping? Get humiliated. Today was my nephew's 13th birthday, and it was the day I finally got back at my sister-in-law for her antics. My sister-in-law has had a habit of swapping name tags on the gifts with her cheap last-minute finds since the gifts were opened after the extended guests had left. She had been successful with a gift I sent over when I was out of town and couldn't attend my nephew's birthday a few years ago, and I thought she might try to pull her usual trick again. So I got my neighbor in on this, gave him a box with bright yellow wrapping, and asked him to brag about how he got lucky in finding this super rare Star Wars Lego set while my sister-in-law stood nearby, knowing the gifts would be opened later after he had left. As expected, my sister-in-law decided to generously help set up the gifts and the decorations. I caught her eyeing the box with the yellow wrapping, and before long, she accidentally knocked over a few, quickly swapping the tags. After the party, my nephew eagerly tore into the presents. The look on my sister-in-law's face made me wish we had some reality television cameras set up for this moment. When my nephew opened the box with the bright yellow wrapping, with her name on it, out came a few packs of cigarettes and a box of contraceptives, with a post-it note reading, "Happy birthday, you're a man now." My sister-in-law was speechless, and so was the rest of the family. She tried to play it off as a prank, and claimed she wanted my nephew to be prepared for adulthood. She was as red as a ripe tomato for the rest of the night.